Hoo-ha. Yo, Harlow. What up, bud? How you doing? How's it going? All right. We are ready. What up? What up? Yeah. Good. This is your safe place, Harlow. To hear some really cool random sound effects and music. Do you notice that the guy's hand does a little wiggle? I don't think you can see it right now, but if you look, he's doing a little bit of like typing and moving on his hand. I made this whole thing in MP4 just so I could have his hand moving slightly. I can add more things. I was thinking about having like randomly somebody walking back and forth like another scientist or something. But hey! Happy Monday, everybody. Welcome to the party. The WordPress game engine party. Pooh! Nothing better, my friends. Nothing better. And, haven't played Solitaire. Just have the screen, like, randomly switch to Solitaire. That'd be funny. Yeah, I'll definitely do something like that. That's funny. Yeah, because I can make it a long video that loops, you know. So it's already looping right now. So I can have random things just happening if you just wait. Though I think we should fix one issue that has been bugging me for weeks now. Yeah, exactly. Like I'll have it be regular for like half the video, and then I'll just randomly have stuff just happening. Maybe I'll have them stand up and walk away and shit. The issue is no start screen music. Works locally, doesn't work on production. Why? I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know. It should. It should work. Trying to convince myself. Like, when you do the video, which isn't playing right now, hold on. Sometimes it doesn't play. That's also something. Sometimes the user didn't interact with the play, but they're logged in, so it doesn't matter if they're logged in though. That's what I don't get. I mean, it shouldn't matter because they're logged in, is what I meant. But locally, yeah, see, now it's doing this. That's weird. Before, it didn't matter if the user interacted with it because they were logged in. Maybe the problem is it's if you start logged out, logged in, then it works. But if you just come back and you're already logged in, it doesn't work. So if we actually log out, I can test that. Log out. And then we go to escape to Orbem. So it starts. No, because if you're logged out, then it does this. Oh shit, it's muted. Well. But see, the problem is that, oh yeah, that'd be funny. It's like the actual game starts and has him walking around. That'd be funny. Great idea. These are great ideas. Keep thinking up those Easter eggs. So this works. I'm logged in. But you see the start screen music doesn't work. See, look. When I log out and it restarts, you're good to go. Because I guess technically it's considered an interaction. I don't know. But the problem is, the start screen music doesn't work. Which locally, if I do the same thing, and I skip, see? That's what should happen. When you skip the video, it should play the start screen music. But for some reason in production, it's deleting the start screen music on load. Like I can see the actual audio tag just delete for no reason. So I think we need to fix that. Problem is I can't replicate it locally. It works. So I think what I want to do is delete. Yes, and then like have flex keys show up. Flex keys. Get flexing. So there is a part where I delete the start screen music. Right here. So I remove it. So what's happening is this must not be found, and false does not equal play. Or maybe this equals false. Enter new area. Right, right. Yeah, this was because when you would go to a new level, it was playing the start screen music. Am I an NPC in the game? No. No, I'm the main character. I don't have to be an NPC. I am Graham. Haven't you noticed our similar looks? Though I should give him the chin hair. I forgot to do that. Yeah, so wait, what's the other false? The other false is when you start the game, which is fine. When you start the game, it should delete it. So that's fine too. But for some reason, this is getting hit. You know what? I'm going to check. I'm just going to fucking push this up and see what we're getting on these certain areas. Because there has to be a reason that this is getting deleted on start. And I will find out that reason. Oh, that's true. Just a realistic picture. Yeah. Like a Saddam Hussein or a Trump. Yeah, just me with a flappy head. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. All right, let's push this up. I really want to. I'm very curious. What the hell's wrong with the start screen music? TBH. Because this should be working. We must console log. Alright. Kiema. Perf. Alright, let's go back to production. So I'll show you what I've been doing in production. I did some work over the weekend. Hey, Brandon! How you doing, bud? Good to see you as well. Thanks for jumping on, my friend. Subscriber wall would be very good. Yeah. Would not mind a subscriber wall. Oh, what am I doing? Let's just go to Thyrus. We'll jump on into Thyrus.
May I help you, sir?
Yes. Help me.
Hello. May I help you? Yes. Mr. A permanent... Here is... Thank you.
I finished all the items the draggable items in my office, which was very annoying.
Hello. It's the Negrescu. I'll be showing you to your station
Thank
and
you.
getting you onboarded. Follow me, please.
I'm coming. You're just very fast. Whoa, there they are. I haven't organized where they're supposed to go yet. You're the mouse pointer lock guy in Next.js MMORPG Maker. Ooh, I like that. You end up making Electron browser to access my project, so no message. Oh, nice. Electron browser. I want an Electron browser.
This is gonna take forever to get an order.
Correct.
Well, never a better time than now, I suppose.
So first off, you see I have a blockade. I can't leave the office till I complete this shit. Here's all the little blinking lights. Wait, why is that? Why can't I? Well, that's not right. Did everything move? No, everything's right except for these. Hold on, let's organize this now. God mode. All right. So let's put this up here. I also fixed the draggable desk, the drag desk, allowing me to move it around the map. That wasn't working before. Oh yeah, look at this. We have the fucking... well, I don't care about you. I care about... Why can't I grab you? What the fuck? Why is it still doing that? No touch. There we go. That's weird. Okay, so the arm goes up here. Everything else is in the right place though. But this place is a mess. I wonder why the toolbox is... I mean, it's cool to put it in the way. Yeah, it really does look like a mess though. That's cool. I don't know why it's not letting me... I did make it passable, but it should still be... Oh, I put it in the foreground. That's wrong. Foreground means you can walk in front of it. That is wrong. So... Toolbox. Gram tools. You need to be passable. Yeah, that's wrong. Passable. And that only happens after the trigger. Alright, that should work now. And look at all those missions you gotta do. Rough. There we go. Now I can't go past it. So the idea is you find a 3D printer, but you need to find filament, maybe, and then you go back to the 3D printer, and then you can print either a QR code or Flexies. Yeah, that's a good Easter egg. I like that one. Oh, I don't know. What was I thinking? I should definitely have a 3D printer on one of these tables. Maybe I'll replace these miscellaneous devices with a 3D printer. Because I already have the robot arm too. That's not a bad idea. Smirt. I'll definitely do that. Okay, so then basically what you gotta do now is clear your path by putting things in the right spot. So I use the drag functionality, which is difficult because things get in your way. So we'll drop this one here. Let's grab these items. Wait, what the hell? Why can't I grab you? Do I not have move the gadgets? Are they not connected to move the gadgets? It's not letting me drag them. Hold, please. See, I haven't tested this since I finished all the items. Come on. Gadgets. Yeah, I didn't connect it to the mission. Alright, move the gadgets. There we go. Alright, now we can move these. But you see, now I can't get exactly here, so you gotta play a little bit of like slider gaming. Oh god. There is kind of a bug. If you touch another item that's draggable, that it, while you're dragging one item, that it kind of grabs the new item instead. Uh-oh. I don't even know if I can reach where this needs to go. Shit, I should have thought about that. Maybe you gotta go from the top. Aha, there you go. See? Figuring out my own game. There we go. Nailed it. So now we need to do, looks like the arm next. Oh shit. Not the server. The arm. Okay, looks like the arm is also wrong. Let's fix that. Robot arm. Hey, C-Films! What up, bud? Welcome, my friend. Oh, look at that. Move. Oh, I don't think I made a mission for this. Move your robot arm. I'm gonna have to do that. No, see, it's passable. I did that right. Weird. Wait, move your tools. Okay, whatever. We need to make a near one. Move your robot arm. I'm just gonna go on Thyrus. This is gonna be points, another 50 points. And you need to talk to or find a key card in your book to get the filament. When you unlock the room, you find the filament and the subscriber wall. Ooh, I like that. Yeah, you gotta find like a key to get in. I definitely need... do I already have triggers for just like removing things? I think I do. Oh yeah, duh. It's breakable. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's your tree of actions to get the Easter egg. Love it. Materialize after cutscene. No, I think this is good now. So now that we have a mission for that, we need to attach it to the other mission, which is... well, let's attach it to the robot arm first. Alright. And then passables there, draggable. I think that's it. Remove after. Yeah, remove after. Okay, should be good. And then let's do... to buy flex keys, correct. Speaking of flex keys, you guys want to know what we're talking about this whole time? We're talking about flex keys. What are flex keys? It's a little tool to help you build dexterity and agility in your fingers. You know, if you're a programmer like me or you play piano like me, it's good to have fast, strong, and agile fingers. And playing with this every day really does help keep them warm. So if you're interested in that, flex keys. Best part is they come in a lot of different colors. You can grab them pretty simply. Just go to flexkeys.shop. That's flexkeys, one word, .shop. Or you can, you know, go to orbemortar.shop. You can find them there, orbem.shop, orbem.store. And yeah, you can grab them here. And best part is the keys and the shell are interchangeable. So you can have different color combinations. Maybe you like Christmas. Maybe you like the Riddler or Joker. Maybe you like pumpkins. So pick them up here. We ship them anywhere in the US. And I'll even produce them live on stream if you order them while I'm streaming. And you can watch via my handy dandy printer window right there. Yeah. Do it. Start flexing. Yeah. My finger's doing a lot better, yeah. Yeah, it's basically not even a thing anymore. I cut the flap off too. It was just getting in the way. Getting caught on everything. So gross. Sorry. Alright, missions. We need organize your office. And we need to add move your robot arm. Perfect. Okay. Let's see if now we can move the robot arm. Oh, well, definitely looks like the robot arm is in the way now. Cool. So we can definitely move this now. Where? Let's, I guess, move it out of the way. We'll do that. And now we need to move the chair down. Let's grab you. Oh god. Collision, collision. Oh god. Oh god, this is becoming a mess. This game is a shit. I definitely need to fix. Oh god. Okay. Okay. I need to fix something. There's obviously some race conditions when it comes to the starting and stopping of dragging items. Because this is becoming crazy.
It's gonna take forever to get in order. Well, never a better time than now, I suppose.
It literally moved all of them. And now they're all like stuck. Okay. Well, this game is a little buggy. At least this draggable minigame is. The problem is, like, I get a class when I'm dragging something. So it knows to, like, keep dragging the item. But if it touches another item while I have that class that is draggable, it'll drop the other one and pick up that one for some reason. If I touch another item, it's not if the item touches another item, it's if I touch another item that's draggable. That's why it's kind of weird. We're getting there. Come on, let me grab you. There you go, to the side. No, not close enough. It's gotta be pretty precise. Not exact, but pretty precise. There we go. There we go. Let's get you out of the way. Let's get you... Motherfucker. I touched it. You out of the way. I'll go the fuck over here. Last stream when you did it, you pressed the flex keys and you went, ow, ow, ow. Oh yeah, you're right. Finger's definitely better now. I can flex key again, which is very important to my job. There we go. Let's move the fucking, oh my fucking god, I touched it. I touched it. So the main character moves things with their mind? No, it's just how I grab and drag things. I don't really have like a drag animation right now. Probably should come up with that. I don't even know how I would do that. How would I animate a drag? That might be kind of hard to do. I guess it would just be my hands sticking out while I'm walking. I guess depending on where the item is, my hands would be pointing in that direction. What the fuck? Is that not close enough? What the hell? Oh, okay. Apparently, that's not good enough. Looks like we might have an issue with the robot arm. being too close to these devices. I was considering just connecting them all together, the robot arm and the devices, but I don't know. Oh yeah, they're just the wrong sizes. The items are too big, the devices. Might need to change those. No, I don't need a tissue. Thank you. Yeah, I think there's just too much overlap. Alright, anyways, that's the gist of it. So, now your office is in order. And, no, I was not having an issue. The next scene would be, I hit the trigger. Iona sends a text message saying, you know, meet me at the restaurant. And, then your next mission would be meet your onboarder at Biolon, or meet Iona, Dr. Negrescu, whatever he knows her as, at the restaurant. And then that's where he would go to Biolon, and that's where he would meet all the other scientists too. And then after that scene, he collects Iona, Jeannie, and John from the intro, and a new menu will show up where he can select and be any of those characters. And that's when, like, there's like 4 different puzzles that happen at the same time. And it's all to, you know, get him back in his office so that he can create transportation. And then he'll be able to do transportation. And then after transportation, he's got to get his katana. And then he has to fight the boss. So, yeah. A lot of functionality. That happens after this, but I think first things first, I really want to first see if that music is fixed. So here we go. False. When I load it, it says false. Okay, there's our problem. This should not be saying false. That means that one of these false ones are loading on load. It wouldn't be this one, because that gets called when you join a new area. So that means it has to be the other one, which is here. Which also doesn't make sense, because this starts the game. So why the fuck is it getting false? Maybe it is loading a new area. Well, there's one way to find out. More. So we'll go enter new area. Let's load this console up, because if this gets loaded up, then we know for some reason enter new area is getting hit on load, which is kind of weird, because this function, well, there are 2 spots. Yeah, this is for next area. And then this is when you actually go to a new area. So this should not be getting hit randomly either. I don't know though, that's weird. Well, let's find out. I'm gonna push this up live. That would explain why it's happening when locally it's not happening, I guess. I don't know why it would be happening in production only, but let's find out even if it is. You know what, I should probably, just in case, because I don't want to push again. Let's mark the second one too, just in case this one's getting hit. Maybe it is. Engage, explore game. And if it's not, why the fuck is this getting false when it defaults to true? Because there's no other references to this. Yeah, there's no other references. Maybe the dev mode is doing something on load? I don't think so. This is all zoom in, zoom out, settings shit. Levels. Oh. Maybe these click events are getting hit and they're hitting the explore game. Maybe. Sometimes that happens when you register a click event, like on load when it's registering, it hits the functions inside of it. Alright, well, let's figure it out. I will definitely keep your ideas in mind. Have a great sleep, Hollow. Catch you on the next one, bud. Thanks for jumping on. Okay, let's push this up. Yeah, so if this... And then I want to fix the dragging issue. Because if I can get the dragging to be like really consistent and not buggy, then it'll make the rest of the game very easy. And yeah, I think C-Films, you're right about the whole dragging animation. I thought of actually a couple different like immersion style things I needed to do. One of them is I want to set static NPCs to have them look at you, like change direction based off of where you come at them, if they have a cutscene attached to them. That way, you know, you can't just start talking to them from their back, which you could right now. They'll turn around to you depending on what direction you are engaging with them. So that'll be good. And then, yeah, maybe we need a dragging animation. Not really an animation, but like we need their like a walking animation for when the person is dragging. That way it looks like they're actually at least attempting to hold the item, which it would basically be like their arms overlapping the item kind of in the direction that they're holding it. So even if they move directions, their arms will, you know, they'll stay the same side. So we'll need one for dragging something on the right, top, bottom, left. So we'll need 4 different directions. It's gonna be kind of hard though, because we'll need 4 different dragging directions and 4 different walking directions. So I guess I might be able to get away with 1 walking direction depending on where they're dragging it. Because if you're dragging something like this up and down, your legs, I guess, can stay the same. Just look like it's walking, but you're walking, you know, in the direction that you're pushing it or pulling it. Yeah, I think I can get away with that. So really we just need the 4. Grabbing from the side, grabbing from the top, left. I guess grabbing it from below. That one might get a little weird, but we'll need it. You need to be able to grab things from any direction. Alright. Alright, let's see what's happening on load now. Ah, okay. There it is. Enter new area. That's what's getting hit. Why? Why is enter new area getting hit? Enter. So I was wrong. My first guess was wrong. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, enter explore point. Here we go. So yeah, we're definitely doing this. Wait, this is being exported. Maybe that's why. It's because it's getting exported? That it's running once in dev mode. Or is it maybe just getting hit right here? But it's only getting hit once, even though there are multiple levels. So I think it would get hit 3 times. We'd see that hit 3 times if it was really happening during this for each. So I think it's what I'm thinking, which is what I'm thinking. It's just because we're exporting this function out, it's running once. How do we avoid that, actually? Avoid a function running on load that is being exported. Usually means you're calling it instead of passing a reference. This runs immediately. Right. Export. Just export or pass the function reference. Oh. Alright, well, let's try that. That could solve everything. So instead of that, we just export this. Oh shit, there's a lot of functions. Can I not do that? Oh, default. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Let's try that out. Wrap it in a function, so when calling the onClick function, your function. Oh. Do I need to wrap it in a function? Yeah, the problem is I need to import it here, which is what I'm doing. And since I'm importing it here, I need the reference exported out there. But this click event doesn't just run this function, it runs like multiple functions and does some stuff. Like it grabs the map in the area. Well, let's first see if this works, I guess. Just changing it to the reference. Well, let's first see if I broke my local, so we don't just waste our time. Alright. Seems to work. I mean, this was already working, but god damn it. I always forgot about that. Okay.
This is gonna take forever
Still
to get
works.
an order. Well,
Good. Oh, I guess I gotta check the console log. My bad. Dumb. Okay, good. No, see, it's still getting hit. Shit. Yeah, it's still getting hit. On click. Yeah, my functions aren't in React though. My buttons. I guess I could use onClick still, even though it's not in React. Let's see if that'll work. So instead of doing these, I should be able to just put this in an onClick function on the actual buttons themselves. Or on their images though, they're not buttons. Yeah, they're not buttons though. So they don't let you do on-click functions on images, I don't think. Where's the level select? I think it's actually in Class Explorer. Level select. Where the hell do I put level select? Oh, it might just be in the main template. Do I have a level select template? The fuck? What the hell? Oh, is this it? No, these are settings. God damn it. I don't remember. This is Zoom, Wall Builder. This is Level Selector. Aha, Start Screen. I knew it was somewhere. Okay, so just wrapping a generic function instead of directly using your function. It's weird that my actual reference export didn't work though. Oh, hold on. What am I doing here? I'm importing that. I'm exporting that. Which is working, but it's still running it. What do you guys say about that bitch? Export default function. Exporting the reference. Didn't stop it from running. Wahaha. Okay, well that's basically what's happening. Remove the call unless you actually want it to run on load. What do you mean? Remove the call. If you attach a listener like this, it runs immediately. Okay. And I need to pass args to the reference. I think that's all I need to do is just pass args. Event listener. Will that still work? Okay, so in that case, we got that. Instead of using the function in here, I need maybe if we make a reference function that has these in it, is that maybe it? So basically all we need to do is this. Do start level. And then we'll do a function in here. Start level. And then maybe we just do this. We need level though. Okay. And then in the click event, where is it? In the click event, we need to do this. Wait, is that what it said? No. Yeah, it's the start level. Maybe. All right, let's try this out. Should twerk. Oh. Imported as enter explore point was not found in this. Oh. I did not notice that. I'm gonna maybe get rid of the whole reference thing I did here. And maybe making it a reference in the actual click event actually will fix it. Actually, I think that will fix it. There we go. Okay, let's see if it works. Alright. Do we still see false into new area? Yes, we do. Shit. Oh, we're on fucking... Hold on. Hold up. I hope I wasn't just looking at production that whole time, and that's why it wasn't working. I think it's still doing the same thing. Yeah. Okay. Shit. It's still running on load. Okay. So the fact that I'm still calling the function directly, even in a reference function, means it's going to call. So I need to export the reference and maybe I need to make the function in there start level. Maybe that would work. Start level. And then we'll export this. Export default start level. Maybe that'll work. And then I don't need to make these two exports. It's the point where the onClick is for the doc. What you don't want. OnClick my function. OnClick reference. Right. Wait, so you do want to run the function inside of the function instead of running it as the reference? Okay. Let's try this real quick. Okay. Default import is used instead of named. There we go. Okay. And then click level, start level. So you're saying this needs to be in here. Instead. Will it build? Yep, well, built. Alright, will it run? Son of a bitch. What the fuck? How is this not working? This is definitely a reference. This is definitely a reference. Listener function. What the hell am I doing wrong? We have the event listener. Click. Alright, one more time. What the fuck? Why is start level running on load? It's weird though, it's running only once. Uh-huh. What? What? I don't need to do that. Why would I need to do that? This is frustrating. Okay. I don't understand why start level is still being run on load. Nice. Windows had voice to text in Windows plus H. That's pretty cool. I don't use Windows. Okay. This is not working. Is it because of this, the way it's being exported? This causing it to run on load. No. Okay. I'm not doing that. I do have this. I'm not doing that though. No, I'm not doing that. Another function calls it. No, it's not. So all signs points to this should not be fucking running. Okay, well let's do this. Let's get rid of it in the click event and just see if this is why it's running. Because if it's not, if it's still running after I console this out, then there's obviously some issues. Go. Oh, wrong one. Go. Okay. So we have confirmed it's not the click event. Good to know. So since it's not the click event, that means it has to be where I'm running it. Actually, let's do this. It's probably not the start level either. That means this is probably running for some other reason, and I'm just like tripping out. What happened? Oh. Alright. Yeah, okay. So it's not even this. I'm barking up the wrong tree. God damn it. Okay, so I probably did all that for nothing. I'm actually gonna go back because I liked how I had it before. Okay. Something else is calling this. And I'm tripping and doing the wrong thing for no reason. We shall go back in time. There we go. Alright, back to normal. No. Wait, what? Okay. So this is back to normal. We have confirmed that it's not that. Okay, so what is hitting the fucking explore, enter new area? Enter new area. What is hitting you? What could be hitting you? There's only 2 spots. It's here. What the fuck? Okay. There's here. So now nothing should be hitting this. That's why I think making this... Wait, what happened? Why is this not exported anymore? Did I not completely back out of what I was doing? Hold up. Hold up. What the hell? Why did this not export? Didn't I have an export here? Enter explore point. Oh. Oh. I forgot this is wrapped in another function. So I'm actually calling this, and this is calling the new area function. Maybe that's why I'm tripping out. So these are all fine. It's actually the enter explorer point. What's calling this? Yeah, so this is in dev mode. This is in dev. Okay. And then this is... Aha. What is this? Huh. I wonder if this is getting called. It's very possible that's being called. And that's the problem. We shall see. That might have been it. Though, it's still getting false, so I don't think actually. I think I might have just gotten rid of the console log. Yeah, I just got rid of the console log. Okay, so that wasn't getting called. So then, how is this getting called? Enter new area is getting called. And it's getting called here. So let's see, is this getting called? Enter explore point. Enter explore point. Don't worry guys, this is a lot of fun. I haven't even played in piano. Okay. Back to business. Okay. Are you calling? No. Okay. So, I was wrong. It is not this. I'm going to rebuild just in case. Yeah. Okay. So this has nothing to do with it. Like I thought it was the exporting of the function. So that means that this is getting hit separately from the whole level selector like I thought. Meaning it's got to be one of these. Maybe. We will get you. We will find you. Come on, buddy. We got this. Okay, let's see if these were the culprit. Nope. It's still calling. What the fuck? Let's just get rid of the function altogether. How about that? Yeah, let's just return. There you go. Now nothing will be called. Nothing shall happen. Here's a quirky one. Yeah. Alright, well, it's definitely being called. Shit. I guess maybe because I made it a const? Why did I do that? Am I using this in a weird way? Why is this a const function? I'm gonna make it a regular function and see if that breaks anything. Because I actually don't remember why I did that. And it's very possible that's why it's been doing this the whole time. Because it's running it like a variable. Oh. Oh, there's obviously... Oh. Ha. Alright. You are just a regular function now. Yeah, okay. I think that solved it. Let's make it available again in those two places. It could have just been because I was making it a variable, which I think I was doing originally because I was exporting those separately, is my guess. So let's do this and let's just test if it still works, you know, when you do a level select. All right. Yeah, it worked. Cool. Okay. I think the only thing left to do is... Oh, I need to actually test it. Let me do a new game. Let's see if I can go to a new level. Alright. Do 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 do. Nope. Do papa da do papa do. Excuse me. Do do ba do ba do papa do. All right. Let me go. Nope. Something broke. So there must be a reason. So you're telling me there's a reason that that was a const? That's kind of weird. Oh shit. Huh. Oh shit. I have no I have no. Oh, okay. That's why I was doing it like that. Shit. I was doing it like that so it would only run once. But now it's running multiple times. Let me undo the whole const shit real quick. And I'm gonna see if there is another way. Okay. So yeah. So basically what's happening is this is being called, it's running here, called this false, and then I'm running the function inside here and I'm setting it to true so that it won't run again. Because the issue I was having was it's trying to run over and over and over. Though I think what we could do maybe we just put this inside here. Maybe. I guess that'll solve our issue. It won't solve that it's being ran, but maybe it'll solve our issue. No. Oh no, yeah. That solved our problem. I guess that's all I had to do was move the play start music. Okay. Cool. Totally. Boom. I like easier solutions. Even though we wasted a bunch of time, we got there at the end. And that's all that matters. Push. So now what should happen is, in production, the start screen music should work again. And the next thing we need to do is work on the fucking draggable logic. Alright, we can ditch this. So, I should now be able to hear the start screen music when this pushes up. Well, when it's done pushing. Alright, let's see if this worked. Music. No? What the fuck? I fixed the issue. Still no music. Okay, well. Fuck you. Is it even there? Start screen video. Is the audio still getting deleted? For why? What now? You telling me we fixed that whole fucking issue and it's still getting deleted? Nothing else is calling it. It's still getting deleted. What the fuck? This is so dumb. Look, oh no, it's right here. No, it's not getting deleted. But it's not playing either. There's no console errors. What's stopping it from playing? Okay, so it's not getting deleted, but it's also not playing. Okay, let's see if we start a new game, if it'll trigger. There we go. Okay. So it's just the trigger. So if I skip, it should start. There we go. Cool. Alright. If I refresh, will it play? Oh, well. Then it'll play. Cool. If I refresh, will it play? Oh, god damn it. I need to move. Okay. Play. No, see, it's still not playing when you first load, though. So I must be missing that functionality. I must have got rid of it by accident. But it's no longer deleting it, which is good. But it should be playing right now. So, what am I missing here? So yeah, it should play if you hit this at the end of the video. It should play if you skip. Okay, but I'm not playing it on load anymore, which I think is the issue. Where would that... I guess that would just be on load. On that low. So I should just be running it here then, basically. Yeah, intro video play. Oh, that's right. So how do I know if the video is not playing? I must have a way. Because this will play. You can mute it or unmute it. But it won't play if it's already... If you already... Right. I think it's only in the template. Where's the start screen shit? Right here. This is the intro video. And this will only load. So I guess I can check if this exists, and if it doesn't, play the music. I think I'm already doing that, so it should be able to do that. So if intro video, else, there we go. Do that. Okay. Let's try that. Let's try it. It'll work. First off, let's try it locally. Let's try it locally. Oh, I'm muted. Shit. Loading.
You know why I started Foresight.
Great. That was the wrong thing. That was a book stand I just printed. Okay, here we go. This'll work. This too shall work. Come on, bud. I did the wrong button. Push, my friend, push. We got this. Push, my friend. What the fuck? Just sitting around waiting for nothing. Okay. I shall push you to your limits. Orbem. Let's see who's lurking right now. Starmelon Studio. Why you no say hi to me? I see you lurking. What up? How you doing? Long time no see. Alright. Now that I just gaslit Starmelon Studio. Let's give me some sweet video game music. Alright, will it play? Still waiting for the code. I see you. There we go. That was for you, Starmelon Studio. Fuck. User didn't interact. After all that, we're getting blocked by Google. Okay. Fuck me, right? Son of a bitch. I don't like that. I don't like that I can't just play a goddamn song.
I wonder what that song.
I mean, I know it's a website, so you gotta like obey the website rules, but I already muted my goddamn video. And now you're making me lose my start screen music. I guess I can add a mute button on the start screen too for the music. Might not be the worst thing in the world to have. You know? Where's the mute button? Yeah, so we have this shit. So I think I can mute the same way. If we add another one. And we'll only add it for this. You know? So we'll play it, and then we'll have a music, unmute, and we'll call it, wait, where's the intro? Where am I getting the intro? Oh, it's from here, that's why. Intro, start screen music equals document dot get element of my ID. What is it? Start screen music. Oh shit. Go back. Wrong one. Go back. Alright. Nope. Wrong one. Oh, I guess it was right there though. Whatever, man. Alright. Good. Now we have this. And we'll use this for this. And then we'll use this. Same shit. And we'll just match the same muted logic for the video. Where is it? And that exists here. And we'll call it music unmute. And it'll be... kind of want to put it in the same spot. TBH, but whatever. We'll add our own little thing for the start screen. Start screen music. Alright, and that'll be music unmute. I guess we'll do the same thing if they're logged out. But it seems like it doesn't even matter though. It seems like it doesn't matter if they're logged in or not. It always starts muted. Because you're pieces of shit. The video won't even play. I think I just need to keep everything muted. Oh, that's so dumb. I hate it. Do I need to create like an enter screen where you have to click fucking enter to start everything? I don't want to do that. Browsers. You guys blow. Alright, whatever. We'll start like this. And then if I need to add an enter screen, then... It's just there's like already an enter screen, right? To start the game. So you need to start the game before you start the game. It's almost like I need to... But that video is supposed to be like the game video, right? Because I already have an introduction video once you start the game. So I don't want to have like two videos that you have to skip. That's obnoxious. So let's go to Orbem logo. Okay, I have to style that shit. Music unmute. So this, yeah, it's right here. Let's do position fixed. Bottom one rim, left one rim, the index 9. There you are. Font size 40. There we go. See if it works. It does. It's not switching though, the text index. Cursor pointer. Yeah, well, let's at least add the styling for now. Mute. Music unmute. Alright. I'm not even alphabetizing that fucking styling. That's how much I don't care anymore. Okay. Yeah, let's figure out why it's not. Swapping. On click. Wait, what? Text content. Muted. It's not working. That's weird. It's definitely getting muted though. I wonder. What am I missing? Music unmute. Let me just make sure it's not getting fucked up by the other one. I don't think it is, but... Start screen music, yeah. I mean, it's functioning fine. Huh. Music unmute. Music unmute. Oh, I'm doing it to the wrong one. Idiot. Music unmute. My bad. Well, that's weird. Oh, this is the actual song. Right. So this still needs to... No. Yes. So this is correct. This needs to change. Start screen music. Start screen music. Okay, now we're cooking. There we go. My bad. Go. Try again. There we go. Now it's muted. Alright, so if you do a new game, well, if you're logged in, I guess, but I should probably put it a little closer. Let's not do 1 rem, let's do like 3 rem. There we go. Okay, it is kind of bothering me that it's not alphabetical. Everything was completely out of order. Yeah, bitch. Alright. Chill. Okay, well. Let's push this up and put it to bed. I'm really done with messing with this. We have the start screen music now when it counts. When the first video plays and you skip it. So at least it's not just silence anymore, but I'll definitely have to come up with another way to make somebody use or interact with the site. Maybe put like a disclaimer at the beginning. This game is so epic. Do you agree to not sue for getting your asshole blown out? Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that's how we'll do it. All right, cool. Well, we do have one more thing we want to fuck around with. Yes, the only problem is that it still starts playing by default when you're logged in. So I have to fix that. Let's fix that. It needs to completely start, no, even if they're logged out. It just needs to start muted, apparently. Which is fucking dumb. Same for the video, always muted. And same thing, muted, always. Fuck you, you're muted, bitch. You don't get a choice anymore. Google says no. Google says, fuck your choices, you're muted now, bitch. Ha. Fuck you. I hate that. I hate them telling me when I can play music. So that means now on load, muted. Oh, pfft. Looks like there's some leftover quotes. Okay, now they're gone. There you go. Muted. Skip. Muted. Oh no. It won't let me unmute. How do I unmute the music if it's muted? That's weird. Oh, look, it's changing, but it's not changing. Oh, it's changing the wrong one. That's weird. What did I do? Did I fuck up the... No, click event's correct. Yeah. Why is it still doing the This. That's weird. Why? That don't make no sense. Mute music. Yeah, why is it doing the wrong click event? Is it overlapping still? So that's that one. So that's gone. Oh yeah, look, it's still on top. Alright, I need to not hide it. I need to delete it. I see, I got into this weird thing where I keep hiding things when they should not exist anymore in the game. And all they do is overlap the shit I want. So I need to like go through all the logic and remove everything. Like, see, I'm doing it here on the skip button. It's supposed to... Oh, see, I'm removing a class. Why? Remove the whole thing. You don't need to keep it there. I'm not going to turn it back on. It's gone. You know what I mean? Same with a lot of things. Yeah, same here. Just like when it's done, remove it. You don't need it in the DOM anymore. It'll come back when you reload the site. Delete, remove. It can't hurt you if it's gone. Which all it's doing right now is hurting me, so. Alright. Now this will be good. Final push. So that, boom. Video's gone. Still not working, but at least I'm on the right thing. Why is that click event not working? What did I do? Did I lose? Oh, this doesn't exist. I'm stupid. Playing the start screen music, I need to unmute it. That's why. Okay. So play needs to unmute. So let's actually do that. How do I do that? Muted by default. I need to unmute it. I guess. I wonder if unmuting it is legal when I play it. Like if I play it and then I unmute it, if that'll work. I mean, it'll work locally, but I wonder if that would work in general. Yeah, volume. Start music. Muted. If it's muted, unmute. Can try that. But that means it's gonna mute. False. Yeah, never mind. Because that'll mute when it tries to play it the next time. Come on. Alright, try it again. Skip. Dum dum. Bum bum. Bum bum. And let's actually do the whole thingy doodad. Let's make sure. Let's change the text input to then, I guess. Cool. This is a little bit convoluted logic just for unmuting based off of different states of the video, but it's fine. There we go. Mute doesn't work. I need to add that again. There we go. I guess we do need this. Dragon. I guess I could just make it a util function, so I don't have to have such undry code, but we're gonna get there. Now it's muted. Hey, mute works. Okay, but we need to unmute it by default. So first, we'll switch it to unmute. And then we'll figure it out from there. Oh shit, that's why it didn't work. All right, go. Why is it not switching? I thought I fixed that. Build, you little bitch. Okay, done. And if there is a new game, and I have a coordinate, because I played it, and I refresh, it's loading by default right now, but I have a feeling that will not work. What the fuck? Clicking mute was making it go faster. Alright, so now I need to get rid of the original, this thing, because now we don't need it anymore, because we're doing all this logic in the play start screen music. Cool. Good. The two click events were canceling each other out. See, now it works. Alright, let's push it out. Final push. I promise. For this at least. Son of a bitch. And let's see if this play error goes away. Because now I'm technically loading the site and then unmuting the music after it's already muted. I don't know. It probably won't work. But at least we can try. Because it should play it muted first on load and then unmute it. I don't know. Might need to put a delay in there or something. Yeah, because if you play a muted song, it should technically play. Because it's muted, and they let you play muted shit. But I wonder if it just won't let you play at all, even if it is muted. That I don't know. That was a good question. Yeah, see, I think it's still blocking the play. Yeah. I think I was right. Oh. Yeah. No, it doesn't like it. It just won't let you play it. Okay, that's fine. Should have expected that. In that case, yeah. We're kind of effed. We'll have to just deal with no music if you go back to it later. So new game works. But going back to it just like on load like that just won't work. Alright, not worth our time right now. That is a... Oh shit. Well, we need to delete that. God damn it. Hold, please. Where's the muted? Or no, unmute. This needs to get deleted, obviously. So when we delete the... God damn it. So now when we delete the song, we need to delete the mute button too. Oh god, start screen. So when this deletes, we need to delete this as well. So let's put this above all. Unmute. Music unmute. Remove. There we go. Now that's gone. Is that the only time we remove it? No, because when we start the game, we should also delete it. Oh, but we're running false when we start the game. Okay, so it'll delete now. Great. Okay, cool. Well, in that case, let's jump over to Thyrus. And yeah, I think we'll call it for tonight, guys. But the next thing we need to work on is fixing all the draggable functionality,
May I help you,
which
sir?
you know
Sorry, sir.
shouldn't be hard. I know the main issue is just the
Oh, I'm so
Hello.
sorry.
the issues with when I touch another draggable item while I'm dragging an item, it gets confused because it wants me to drag that item then. So like in here, if I'm dragging this and then I touch another item like that, see it moves items while I'm dragging. It like pushes them in the path. I have like this magical power. So that's something we need to fix. And then we also need to give myself a dragging animation. So when I drag something, I want to hold it and then just walk around holding it. I won't turn or anything if I start walking this way or that way. I'll just kind of shuffle as if I'm pulling and dragging it. So it should look pretty natural, is what I'm saying. But yeah, that'll be the main thing we fix tomorrow. So hey, thanks for everybody jumping on. Harlow, thanks for jumping on, my friend. Hope you're having a great sleep. Sea Films, thank you so much for jumping on as well, talking about my issues. Brandon, thanks for helping out. I know you really tried hard, and we got there eventually with the on-click event. As always, I was going down the wrong path and troubleshooting the wrong thing. But yeah, we got there. And I think that's it. Hey. Thanks everybody who's been watching, even if you aren't talking. Feel free to talk though and ask questions. You know, I've been in the industry for a long time. If you're interested in programming or music or piercing or writing, this entire game is based off of the Harmonian Chronicles. This is the book series that I wrote. There's 2 more books coming out. This is just the first 2. So, you know, we got a lot going on this stream. And plenty of things to talk about. And if you're interested in talking to me off stream, go ahead and jump on Discord. go ahead and go to just orbemortar.com. It's my YouTube name, orbemortar.com. So orbemortar.com, and that's where you can play the game too. If you're interested in playing this, it's live right now. You can play what I've been doing right now. Just scroll on down or go to orbem.games. Very simple URL. Or you can come to the homepage and there's a link. It'll take you right here. And you don't even have to create an account if you don't want to. You can play it without that. I mean, there's not really a lot of gameplay to save. So if you refresh, you know, it doesn't matter if you lose your progress. But also on the homepage is right here, Discord link. So click join the Discord, jump on in. We got a lot of great channels, a great community there. A lot of web developers, a lot of random programmers, artists, musicians. So yeah, there's a place for everybody. And don't be a stranger. Make sure you are following and or subscribed so I can see you again. And you can see me again. See the progress on this project. this WordPress game engine, which, you know, ask me what it is, because that is obviously a question that a lot of people have. This is the game engine right here. It's a WordPress plugin I developed. So, with that, I will say good night, everybody. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and yeah, catch you in the next one.